Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research. Well, this may come as a surprise, but when I put it in the car and tried it, I found that it was binding up. The more air you gave it, the more it would bind up, trying to run. I think what was the problem is the way the eccentric works. Anyway, this is my eccentric that's inside. And at some points, the bearing that runs in this groove is pushing on the top. And when it does that, it causes it to twist. And then it binds up in the groove, and the bearing won't roll, so it won't move, so it won't go. So what I've done is, instead of 6 cylinders, I'm going to use 3, and I'm going to have it always on the bottom of the groove. So it's always pulling. So whenever, instead of being up here, it's over here. And when it pushes it down and makes it roll, it should always keep it centered in the bottom of the groove, rather than up here, which causes it to twist when it wants to push on it. So I've got to put back together again. It still should have plenty of power, even though it's 3 cylinders now. And it will always start in whatever position, so that should be good. It's still got some wobble in it, but not quite as bad, because when it goes faster, it kind of turns itself out. That's running at 250, but I think it's going to have to be running somewhere around 300, 350 probably. Anyway, I'm glad to see it's running, and it's 4 o'clock. I've done enough, I think, for today on it. Tomorrow I'll get my pressure regulator and work on it. And then probably Monday or Tuesday, put it back in the car and do some further checks on it. So for today, thank you for checking in. If you'd like to follow and you haven't subscribed, please do, and check the notification bell, and you'll be notified then whenever I put out another video.